Today is a hugely proud day, not just for GRIDSERVE, but for the Department for Transport and Innovate UK, and frankly the whole country, because we're launching not one but two electric heavy goods vehicle sites ready to showcase the art of the possible for the largest and hardest to decarbonise vehicles. This is absolutely 100% open to the public for commercial vehicle use. So we've got eHGVs, rigids, long vehicles, all can use this infrastructure in addition to what they do at their depot locations. Well, what better way to celebrate two hubs launching on the same day than to send a truck fully laden from one of them to the other one. So we're here at Moto in Exeter, and we're going to take the truck and drive it all the way over to an extra Motorway service site in Baldock and show these vehicles can do distance and they can travel across the country using public charging to do it.
These vehicles are readily available. So it's now how the trucks are integrated into logistics. That's the next hurdle, and we need to prove, as one as the media, and two as an energy provider, and three as a vehicle manufacturer, that everything stacks up. These things do work, and they will go the distances that are required to run in a business. Everybody's frustration seems to be about the range of the vehicle. It's not about that. It's about how a driver can only legally drive for 4.5 hours. If we've got a network that's interspersed with charging points at 4.5 hour intervals, wherever they are, you're on your way.
It is a super proud moment, because what was for quite a while a concept, an idea, is now live. It works. If you want to decarbonise the UK, you can't ignore freight, and therefore we need to provide a network. Electric Freightway is very committed to exactly this.
This is a really good example of the partnership between Extra and GRIDSERVE. This is the first hub on our network, which is going to drive adoption, in particular of HGVs in the future, and decarbonise the road network.
Electric trucks definitely have arrived, and I think when we look at trucks like the eActros, these are trucks that an operator that's running diesel trucks at the moment can see slotting into their operation quite easily, because the range of at least 500 kilometres at 40 tonnes gives them the option to run the truck much like a diesel truck today. And when we factor in some public charging infrastructure on the strategic road network as well, like we're seeing today with the opening of GRIDSERVE Baldock, then it actually makes a much more compelling argument for an operator.
Seeing is believing. So for me, to get to this point and to have these vehicles and this site operational now, it really gives sort of more evidence to people that you can do this and you can do it right now.
We've managed to travel from Exeter to Baldock, no problems, and then greeted all of the other trucks here today, which is fantastic. We've got SMEs, big business, hauliers, retailers, the government, Department for Transport, OZEV, the lot. It absolutely is reflective of the appetite and interest in what is a nascent market, but one that's growing really aggressively, and projects like this are the accelerant. This isn't a trial where we stop and then look at all the data. We're going to do that concurrently with seeing this market grow, us building more chargers and more trucks on the road, because that's what we've got to do to solve the climate crisis that we have.
Yay!